How to connect FTMO to MetaTrader 5. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your FTMO trading account to the MetaTrader 5 platform on desktop or mobile. So I'm going to show you how you can find your server and login details, add the correct FTMO server and securely log in to start trading. So first of all, you get to open MetaTrader 5 application. If you're using desktop or Android device version, you can follow similar steps. Simply open MetaTrader 5 and then click on settings here. Once you do so, you get to head over, click on new account, and then you get to click on this over here that says enter company or server name and simply type in FTMO, press search and just wait for it to search. Here is FTMO. Simply click on it and then first make sure that you have selected the correct server, and then you're going to type in the login details such as login username and password. Once done, you got to simply head over, click on sign in. If the credentials are correct, you'll be able to easily connect your MetaTrader 5 to FTMO. So that's basically how you can connect FTMO to MetaTrader 5. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.